6 months ago, I had $300 in my bank account and $8,000 in credit card debt, living in Canada where everything is expensive. Today I'm gonna show you exactly how I saved $10,000. No side hustle, no rich parents, no luck. If you've ever felt like your money just disappears every month, like you're working hard but going nowhere, this video is for you. I've been there. I know exactly how that feels. And I found a system that actually worked for a real person, on a real salary, in real Canada. In the next 10 minutes, I'm going to walk you through the exact steps I use, step by step. And stay until step 4 because that one is the part nobody talks about. That's the one that actually changed everything for me. My name is Mercedes. I'm not a finance guru. I'm just someone who got tired of worrying about money every single month. So, let's get into it. In Canada, a single adult can easily spend $1,100 to $1,500 just on groceries and essential living costs per month before rent. On the top of that, utilities, internet, and phone can add $200 or more each month. So, when I was earning around $40,000 a year and felt like I had nothing left at the end of the month, I wasn't alone. I just didn't have a system. Here's the system that helped me save $10,000 in 6 months and how you can do it too. Step 1 is the 75-15-10 rule. Traditional budgets like 50, 30, 20 are too complicated for most people. I created a simpler method. 75% of your income goes to living expenses, rent, food, bills, essentials. 15% goes straight to savings, automatically. 10% is guilt-free spending, for friends, coffee, and fun. I set up an automatic transfer, so the 15% hits savings the moment my paycheck arrived. Out of sight, out of mind. Step 2 is killing debt with the Avalanche Method. Debt is the #1 wealth killer for most people. I paid minimums on all cards, but every extra dollar went straight to the card with the highest interest rate first. I had $8,000 in credit card debt. By focusing on the highest rate card first, I paid it off in 4 months and saved nearly $500 in interest alone. Step 3 is the no spend weekend challenge. Once a month, I committed to a weekend with zero spending, no takeout, no online shopping, no impulse buys. Step 4 is the secret nobody talks about. Income growth. You can't budget your way to wealth forever. You have to grow your income. Learn one marketable skill like Excel, digital marketing, or editing. Negotiate your monthly costs. Ask for better pay when you've earned it. So let's recap. Find the leaks with a money audit. Use the 75-15-10 rule and automate savings. Kill debt with the Avalanche Method. Try one no-spend weekend a month. Focus on increasing your income, even a little. I didn't become perfect overnight, but becoming intentional. That's what saved me $10,000 in just 6 months. You don't need to be perfect, you just need to start. Even if it's putting $20 into savings today, that's progress. If this video helped you, hit that like button. It helps the channel grow. Subscribe if you want more real personal finance tips every week. And comment below, what's your biggest money struggle right now? I read every comment, and next week's video will be based on your answers.